Guys, so we got this Chevy van. He said it sets this P0131 and a P0171. So let's start this up and we'll use our sharpshooter, see what our fuel trims do. Well, that's not good. That is really not good. Let's see, is this, we're probably not even closed loop yet. Man, that is a lot of fuel on one bank. Just see. Let's go to PIDs, see if we're on closed loop. It's definitely not that warm. Might even be colder than that. Let's see. Where is our fuel trim? I mean, not a fuel trim. Just want to check loop status, make sure we're on closed loop. I don't know if I'm missing it, but I don't see it. Well, let's go back to our sharpshooter, see what it does. See what happens when we brake torque it. Looks like our bank 1 sensor 1 is completely shorted. So we unplugged the oxygen sensor, and our voltage stayed at 0 volts. Let's get a picture of this.
What the hell? Which one's pink?
There's a couple.
Okay. Well, actually,
here, I'll get a picture of them. There was like a red wire.
A black one's just.
Oh no, no,
it's just that black one that's
it's a
pink.
brown one.
Yeah, the one with a tracer on it there.
Yeah. I thought there was a red one in there too.
What color is that son? Yep, that's the one. That's pinched right behind the transmission. So I got all that shit taken care of. What a pain in the ass, but
Let's see if this works.
okay. At least he's picking it up now. Oh, supposed to pick it up next week.
Let's
See it go.
Graph.
No horn, no this, no that. The siren didn't work. The
my scan tool
solenoid in
unplugged.
the front was. Oh, we plug it back in.
I think it might be unplugged. Let's see, restart.
Uh-oh, lost signal.
Yeah,
Probably when I shut it off.
it might have. Let me see if I can get it back.
Drove me
Let's
nuts.
see,
Now,
graph.
you know, with that thing in the back, and I got that out, put the new one in, fucking thing fired right up.
Look at that.
You son of a bitch.
Now our voltage is up where it's supposed to be.
It's not working?
No, it is working.
Okay.
Let's see, where's our other oxygen sensor?
This one actually has 4.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
The other one. 1 sensor 1, bank 2 sensor. Oh, it might not be turned on. Let's see.
B1S1, B1S2.
Well, on this tool, you have to turn on the PIDs you're looking at.
Yeah.
Let's see. 1 sensor 2. Bank 2 sensor 1. Bank 2 sensor 2. Oh, I selected the wrong one here.
I think that Volkswagen might have a control module problem.
It might.
ECU. It
It
drops
might.
out. Yesterday when we were checking some stuff on it, all of a sudden you lost communication.
Yes, we're at idle.
Is it responding?
Gotta wait for it to warm up. It is now.
Yeah, oh yeah, and there you go. Now you're getting something out of it.
And now if we go to our fuel trims, before they were like, oh look at that, it's perfect. Before it was
the one should have been way off.
yeah, it was like negative like 35,
Yeah.
I mean positive 35 or something, or 50.
It would have been way off. Now
Yeah.
you're right on where you belong.
Yeah, now if we give it gas and change
Should jump. Yeah.
well, this is graphing our fuel trims.
Yeah.
So it's gonna have to relearn, but you want to be plus or minus 10%. Before we were over 30.
Yeah. That was dumping fuel
Yeah.
down in there. That's what they put a plate across it and blanked it out. I don't know if it's a distraction for the drivers or the.
Guys, so we got the car back together. We have it running. Let's check this. Let's see. Oh, did we lose our data pits again? So we use total fuel trim, bank 1 and bank 2. Just turn our oxygen sensors back on. There we go, graph. Let's see. Total. There we go. Bank 2 sensor 2. There we go. So yeah, this thing's running really good. So I hope you guys like it. So